let's talk about focus. Where are you focusing your energy? Where are you focusing your activity? Where are you focusing your thoughts? Hello, I'm Dr. Debbie, and that's our topic for today. We're going to talk about how you can actually achieve the things that you want to achieve in your relationship by shifting your focus. Okay, so first of all, we want to talk about where is your focus on a daily basis. And to be able to look at that, you're going to have to listen to what you're telling yourself. Husbands also can start to look at, what about my wife? She's always chaotic. She's trying to do everything all at one time. She's always angry. She's always upset. Or you could begin to look at the things that she does do well. Wow, she's amazing. Maybe she's really great at keeping the house clean. Maybe she's a great cook. Maybe she's great at planning social events. Maybe she's a great mom. But if you're always looking at the things that she doesn't do, again, as you play those over and over in your mind, you're actually pronouncing curses. And if you say them out loud to your friends, to anybody, those are curses. Instead, you want to look at the positive things that she does, the things that she does well. Now, when you focus on someone's faults, guess what happens? You stop really thinking about how you can serve that person, what that person needs from you. And in doing that, you've just basically killed a relationship. It's not just about what you can get from the relationship, it's about what you can give. If you're always focusing on problems, then you're never going to get around to the solution. The question you want to ask yourself as you're focusing on this more positive take is, what could I do differently? What does my spouse need from me? One of the simplest things to do is to ask yourself, am I giving my spouse enough attention? Now that's something both men and women want. We both want a lot of attention. We want attention from one another. But it's really hard to take that attention or to get that attention, although we try all the time. In fact, marital research says that we make bids constantly for another's time and attention, and lots of times those bids get ignored or denied. And so look for those opportunities when your spouse is looking for your attention. That's a pretty cool idea, right? That's more solution focused. That's something that's going to start to bless your spouse, because the more blessed they are, honestly, it sounds kind of self-serving, but I don't think it is. But it becomes reciprocal. It becomes this never-ending spiral of growth and affirmation. It's not going to make all the bad stuff go away, but it is going to start to shift the focus of your day, shift the focus of your marriage, even if your spouse is not willing to give it a try. My goal for this year is to show up for you more often. So I have put it on my calendar to be with you live every Friday at 11 a.m. Central throughout 2023. And if you want to join me on this live Zoom call, you'll need to register because space is going to be really limited. I want to teach you a little bit, like I did today, about focus, and then I'll take questions. And you can even send me your questions ahead of time, and I might pick your topic as one of the words of the week in order for us to be able to talk about it. Mostly, I want to see your face. I want to know who you are. I want to know what concerns you, and I want to know how I can help. Because after all, that's why I'm here. I'll put the link down below so you can register for Fridays with Dr. Debbie. It's completely free, and I'll see you then. Take care.